In this tutorial, you will see how to configure the edgePlug FANUC CNC solution and how to receive its data through MQTT. The edgePlug FANUC CNC is SoftInk's Docker-based solution that is deployed into the SIEMENS Industrial Edge environment, and it is a completely integrated solution within the SIEMENS platform. The edgePlug collects the data directly from the machine and then exchanges it into the Databus app from SIEMENS. This allows the user to use the data internally as needed. An example from it is within the external Databus app, which allows us to publish the data into MQTT. In this video, the configuration of the solution will be described. After validating that the Databus app is already installed at My Installed Apps section from the SIEMENS Industrial Edge Management, go to the Data Connections section. Click on the Databus app. Select the device where the app should be launched and confirm it. Once the application is launched, define a topic name, define a username, assign it a password, select the relevant permission, confirm the configuration through the Add button. In the Topic View tab, you can view the already selected topic or create new ones. Then configure the required data persistency configuration. Leave empty the Live View tab. Deploy the configuration into the device. After the deployment has finished, a confirmation message should be displayed. In the Apps catalog from your device, open the IIH Configurator. Go to Settings, Databus Credentials. Give the Databus service name and port from your databus. Type your username and password. Save the settings. To configure the edgePlug FANUC CNC, select the IIH Configurator. Select the edgePlug application. Go to the Tabs tab, select Add Data Source. Select your CPU type. Insert a name for the connection, the relevant IP address, and the required log level. Save the configuration. Select the newly created data source. Click on Deploy. After the data source configuration is deployed, the configurations icons will change to green. To view the changes in the connection, the IIH configuration view should be reopened. The configured tags have been added. Open the edgePlug FANUC CNC connector. Go to the Tabs tab. To configure individual data points, double-click in the tagline, change the desired acquisition cycle, and check the Publish to IE Databus option. Confirm these changes with a click on the green check symbol. The configuration is shown as confirmed. To configure several data points, select them through Name column. Click on the pencil icon to expand the options. Change the desired acquisition cycle and check the Publish to IE Databus option. Confirm the changes. The selected data points are ready to be published in the databus. To deploy the data points, select the required ones through the Name column. Press the Deploy button. The service will be temporarily stopped to deploy the changes. After the data source configuration is successfully deployed, the configurations icons will change to green. A connection diagram to the databus can be displayed at the Overview area from the Organized Data section. After validating that the external Databus app is already installed at My Installed Apps section from the SIEMENS Industrial Edge Management, go to the Data Connections section. Click on the external Databus app. Select the device where the app should be launched and confirm it. Once the application is launched, define a username, assign it a password. In the Topic View tab, add a new topic. Select the already created username. Give a name to the topic and select the required permission level. Confirm the configuration. In the Certificate tab, select the appropriate security mechanism. In the Bridge Configure tab, add a row to the already created username. Assign a topic to the row. Select the direction of the communication between the external databus and databus. Define the quality of service level. Save your configuration. Then, configure the required data persistency configuration. Deploy the configuration into the device. After the deployment has finished, a confirmation message should be displayed. Open an MQTT subscriber. Create a new connection. Use port 9883 for the connection. In the subscribe topic connection, use the previously assigned username and password and connect to your application. This concludes configuration of the Softing edgePlug FANUC CNC solution, and your app is ready to be used in your project. Further information can be found on our website industrial.softing.com. Thank you for your attention.